Hi class, Professor Anawalt here. I just want to send out this video to encourage everyone to not worry or panic or get stressed out if you fall a little bit behind in this course. There's a lot of material to cover and we got to squeeze it all into 8 weeks, so some weeks will get really busy. If you look at how our course is set up, you'll notice in week 4 there is no new material. All you have to complete in week 4 is take the midterm exam. So that is intentional. The material from weeks 1, 2, and 3, I will accept with no late penalty as long as you get it in by the end of week 4. So it's great if you can stay on pace and complete everything each week by the due date. That'll leave you week 4 to study for the midterm and to just relax and prepare. But if you are a little bit behind, you have that buffer week where there's no new material that you can get caught up and then complete the midterm exam. I want to jump into our week 2 folder and quickly talk about what's coming up here in week 2. There's a lot of material, so it's split into 2 sections. You have the material covering quadratic functions. You'll have a math lab assignment on that, selected problems on quadratic functions, and then your first quiz for the week over quadratic functions. And then the other bit of material covers polynomial and rational functions. So that material has been separated into its own math lab assignment, its own selected problems, and it's actually been broken down into 2 quizzes that cover polynomial and rational functions. So it made more sense to split it like this rather than make one gigantic long math lab assignment, one super long quiz, and so on. And if you want to see for the quizzes exactly what sections are covered on them, click on the page there and you can see which parts and which sections from the book are covered on each quiz. So reach out at any time if you're having questions or if you're stuck on something. And I just wanted to encourage everyone, don't panic, don't worry if you get a little bit behind, but do use your resources if you get behind. Use me, use the Help Me Solve This, that guided example in Math Lab, and also the Smart Thinking tutoring option here in our course. Free 24/7 tutors available via the internet that can help you if you're stuck on something. Have a great week.